In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sensitive content setting on X. This is really useful if you're tired of seeing warning screens on posts, or if you'd prefer X to blur or hide media that might be sensitive. I'll walk you through the exact path in the desktop interface, step by step, so you can adjust the setting to match your preferences. First, open your web browser and go to the X Home dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the account whose settings you want to change. Once you're on your home timeline, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with icons and labels like Home, Explore, and so on. In that left-hand column, find and click on the option labeled More. It's usually near the bottom of the menu. When you click More, a small menu will pop up with additional options that aren't visible in the main list. From this expanded menu, click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you away from your timeline and into the main settings area for your account. Take a second to let the page load, because there are quite a few options here. On the settings page, look at the menu on the left side again. You should see different sections, and one of them will be called Privacy and Safety. Go ahead and click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your account interacts with other people and what kind of content you are shown. Once you're inside Privacy and Safety, you'll see several categories. Here, you're interested in the one labeled Content You See. Click on Content You See to open the options that control what appears in your feed and search results. On the Content You See page, look for a setting related to media. You'll see an option that mentions media that may contain sensitive content. Next to this text, there will be a checkbox. If the box is unchecked, it means X will hide or warn you about media that might be sensitive. To allow this content to appear without the warning screen, click on the unchecked checkbox so that it becomes checked. That's it. You've successfully changed the sensitive content setting on X. You can come back to the same page at any time and uncheck the box again if you decide you want those warnings restored.